16,838. So honestly, nothing happening. Nothing has been happening and nothing meaningful happening in Bitcoin for over 2 months. Over 2 months, it's just been trending. It's been trading in this sideways channel. Between support and resistance, Bitcoin has been going for over 2 months. But when it goes sideways for a while, we all know that that means that a massive move is imminent. So I guess that means that Bitcoin will either be going up or down very, very soon. But basically, it looks like it's getting support on this. So we're probably headed up for 18.5 thousand. And if we break through the 18.5 thousand with high volume, then we have the price target of 23,887. Would the 23,887 mean that we confirmed the bottom and we are headed for only higher prices? Well, if we head higher for higher prices, then it will confirm that we are headed higher for higher prices. But that's why we don't trade, because the charts really only tell us what has happened. It will not be able to tell us what will happen. And once it's already happened, you're late. That's why I keep on talking about Hex. Now's a good time to get in before it rips, in my opinion, not financial advice. And we got Pete Stav. I've been watching. Thank you for watching. Ted Cash, ready to rock and roll with Furu Finance stream. Yes, thank you for tuning in, Ted Cash. We always like Ted Cash. Bid Finesse, I shared the first video that's oldest on your YouTube. My friend and I think you're hilarious. Appreciate that. And I've seen you in a bunch of streams, in a bunch of chats. Are you a streamer? But I appreciate you sharing the video. And my oldest YouTube videos were funny. I thought those ones weren't funny because it was like very heavily edited, and I was trying to be very serious. It wasn't as organic and off the cuff as the live streams, but I appreciate that. Guess I'm just goofy. I don't know. I'm funny when I'm trying to be serious. Nintra X says, good morning. Where's the volatility indicator? Coiled up? Which one's the volatility indicator? Too busy to stream. Just hop on other streams. Oh, nice. How about this? My value proposition would be make a TikTok or YouTube short every day. I've been on this on Twitter, and we're going to get into that later. It's just a 60-second video. I actually made 4 today. So I'm really trying to push that. The Hex presence on TikTok, which is the platform for virality, is atrocious. So you don't have to stream. I think streaming is good. I like streaming. It's fun. It's good community engagement, but it is not good for outreach. I'm sorry. It's not good for outreach. But yeah. And Chad Donner Schwans is here. Schwans of House Donner's in the chat. Volatility for Bitcoin. There is no volatility. Bitcoin has been a stable coin. Yeah, Bitcoin's been a stable coin. And remember, like, this was fun. This was great. There was a lot of fun, but like, it's really been leveling out. The dumps are smaller because the sell pressure is getting lower and lower, because more people sold, so there's less people to sell. And I think we're at the point where the people that are holding are probably not going to sell no matter what, because if you've been holding through the FTX, what's going to make you sell? If you've been holding Bitcoin since the FTX thing, and you're still holding it now that everyone's calling, crypto a big scam and crypto's FTX, whatever, you still haven't sold, what's going to make you sell? I don't know. I mean, the only thing that could maybe possibly lead to a cascade is a big institution or exchange going under. If that doesn't happen, which it very well may not, I think the bottom's in. But that also may happen. It may happen, it may not happen, and we won't know what happens until it happens. um, so can Bitcoin hit 11K and pray? Um, it can hit it, but I think that'll depend on an institution. I don't know if another institution's going under. I think there's a lot of incentive to not let it happen. I think a lot of these institutions might even just buy out one of these insolvent companies, like if they go under, just because they're such big holders of crypto that they don't want it to keep on cascading. So is Bitcoin going to 11K and pray? I don't think so, but Richard Hart says it is, and he's got a pretty solid track record if you ask me, but I don't know. That's why I continue to DCA. That is the Bitcoin technical and fundamental analysis, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. But we got Bit Finesse. You have my attention on the shorts, but I must be educated and trained. I'm a persistent student. Trained in what? In the shorts? Trained in the shorts? You need to be trained how to make a short or a TikTok. It's just a 60-second video. You just hold up your phone and say what's on your mind for 60 seconds or less. And then you could add a little bit of a caption on TikTok. You could add some music, and then you could get a little bit more. Savvy with it, like people like Super Hex Max really knows what he's doing. I mean, if you really want to dig deep, but I'm not even that far in. I just maybe put a sticker on and some music. That's all it is. And it does more for virality than anything else. And we're going to see that.